In today's video, I want to talk about what are business operations anyway, and how the framework of the 6 essentials of business operations can help you build your business with less stress. So business operations are, generally speaking, it's your systems for doing things. Your systems encompass your tools and processes, aka your steps, for executing that whatever action in your business. Most people use systems and processes interchangeably, and that's totally okay. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Ultimately, your business operations is your systems and processes, and all that is just how you get shit done in your business. It's the structures and assets you use to execute your strategies. The 6 essentials of business operations category is my framework to help business owners approach their business operations in a more simplified and intentional way. Because business operations is all the things in your business, this framework helps you be more intentional when working on your business operations and determining what needs to be set up, structured, and optimized. One essential to having a strong foundation to your business is having a project management tool. This is a centralized hub to your business operations and strategies. Then you want to document how you do things in your business. What are your strategies? What are your tools, assets, and steps for executing that strategy? And how do you know that strategy is working? That's really the core of business operations. It's truly that simple. But there are lots of moving parts and strategies to run any kind of business. That's where the 6 essential categories of business operations come in. And those 6 essentials are tools, offers, marketing, information, business management, and strategic planning. So tools are anything that you use to run your business. You're probably watching this on a laptop right now. That's a tool. Offers, you have to have something to sell to run a business, right? Marketing, that's how you get your customers for those offers. Information, that's all those files in your inbox and emails and all that digital information floating around that you need to run your business. Business management is your day-to-day tasks that you do to run your business, your routine tasks. How are you managing yourself and or your team day-to-day to get things done in your business? And then, of course, strategic planning. That's the big picture of how you run your business. What is driving your strategies? Why are you running your business? How do you know your strategies are working? That's strategic planning. Now, by no means do the 6 essentials of business operations stand alone. They are not isolated categories. They are very much intertwined. So, for instance, with offers, you probably do a portion of strategic planning. You most definitely have some kind of tool to help run your offers. You most definitely have emails you have to probably deal with. You have to market that offer. So these all very much so need to build on each other to work together to keep your business running smoothly. If you want to learn more about this framework, I encourage you to join me in my free Hustle Happier Hub of Operations, where you can find more about the 6 essentials of business operations in the Starting Strong workshop, along with further resources to help you with each of the 6 categories. And again, did I mention it's free? There's never a wrong time to start getting your business operations organized and there to support you now and in the future for your business. Find links to join the Hustle Happier Hub of Operations below.